Hey, third grade, this is Miss Trent. I'm going to tell you how to do the activity for today. We're going to go to Students and Miss Trent's website. Then, of course, you're going to click on third grade, and you're just going to scroll down. First thing you have to do is sign into Google. So you're going to click on that Google sign in. And you're going to click on the login for students. And your username is your lunch number, and your password is also your lunch number. And when you sign in, don't forget to press continue. And then I'll do that for staff. I've already signed in, so it's not going to give me there. So once you sign in, you're going to go to Google Drive. And over here, you're going to go back to third grade on Miss Trent's website, and you're going to go to New Year's resolutions. We're going to put it in this shared folder because we are going to eventually make a video of this next time you come. So you'll see that a little bit. So when you get here, it says third grade New Year's resolutions. You're going to press new, and you're going to press Google Slides. And you're going to press create and share. The first page is a title page. You can also use this over here to pick a theme if you want to. I'm going to not pick a theme this time. I'll do a background later. So I'm going to press the X there. If I want to do a background, here's the background here. I can choose a color. I can choose whatever color I want. I can do a gradient, which means it's kind of different colors in different places in your thing, which is kind of a cool thing. I think I'll do like this yellow one. And then I'll press done, and now it looks pretty nice. My title is going to be New Year's Goals. Remember, the title always has capital letters at the beginning of each word, so make sure you have that. And then my subtitle is my name, so I'm going to put Miss Trent. And then I'm going to come up here, it says Untitled Presentation. I'm going to click it just once, and it'll steal my title there. Now I'm ready for my next slide. So I'm going to press this little plus button on the side. It's underneath the yellow right here. So press the plus, and it gives you a new title and text. And this one is going to be my first goal. I want to walk, if I can spell correctly, walk more. And then I'm going to come over here and I want to say, I will try to walk at least 3 times a day. 3 times a day, a week. And then I'm going to that's a little bit small for me, so I'm going to highlight my words. And see this 18, I'm going to change it to a 30. And you see the square right there? I'm going to go to the middle, or I can go to the corner one. I'm going to make this about halfway down there. And I'm going to center my title. See over here, center button right there. And I want to do a different background. I have to click off the words. So if you're on the words, you have this. If you click off the words, you have the background again. And this time I might choose another gradient, maybe a little green or something. Done. And then I'm going to put a picture on here. So there's 2 ways to do a picture. You're going to insert image and then search the web. Or you can click on this little mountain right here and search the web from here. It'll pop over here. And of course, I am going to walk, so I'm going to type a search for walk for my pictures. And I've got some great pictures here. I like this one right here. Ooh, that's a nice one. And then I'll press insert. And there we go. I can make it bigger or smaller by going to the corners there. I can make it really big, but that's going to cover my words. I have to be inside that square, so that's too big, isn't it? And then I can move it around wherever I want. If I want to move my words, I click on that, make it a little bit smaller, and it fits like that. All right, and if I want to make another one, then again, I come over here and press this plus sign, and I'll make a third one, or maybe even a fourth one if I have time. So And also, if you want to make this a little bit more interesting, you can click on this text box here, and you see that little paint bucket? You can click on that, and let's see, I have a black words, so maybe purple background. Makes it look a little bit more interesting. Yeah, and there we go. And you don't have to save it or anything because it is already saved because it's Google. So perfect. So when you're done, just X everything out and log off. Thank you so much.